It's a very interesting journey associated with VLCI since 2015-16. I got engaged with VLCI as a SME owner, and I have seen the program evolve at every stage to the next level. In today's situation across the country, we see that the academia, students, and SMEs all are working in their silos. And unfortunately, the students believe that industry is overwhelming. They believe they have not much to learn from the professors or the teachers. Teachers perhaps believe that the students don't listen to them and they're in their own world, they don't give attention in the classrooms. And they also feel that what SMEs are practicing are not aligned with the theory that we learn. And the SMEs are completely disconnected with academia, saying that what professors or teachers speak or teach is not relevant for us. They think the students coming out of graduation are not fit or not ready to start contributing in the industries. So what's happening here is all three of them are working in independent silos, believing the other parties are not doing the right thing and they are doing the best thing. And VLCI is doing the job of breaking that wrong notion in all these three verticals, all these three silos, and coming and knocking and saying, do not have this disease of I already know it, and be open-minded and create a bridge between all three of them, which is going to make a big difference in terms of what results we are going to see. In 2015-16, when I got associated, it helped me change my perspective about manufacturing processes, how information and material flow is handled, how different tools can be employed to make our working more efficient. And that program also then brought a perspective of how the next generation of change leaders can be created. And then academia got connected, and today I see that VLCI has a huge vision. It has a fantastic, robust platform to bring all these three stakeholders together, to learn from each other, to contribute to the expertise or growth of each other, and then thereby making a difference collectively. So faculty members are trained to teach better, to share their knowledge better, and build skills in the students. Students are taken to the next level through actual practical programs and exposure in the industry. And industries are also involved to work with the academia and students so that the rapport is built before they invite the students to work in their organizations. So I see a great future with the help of VLCI and the kind of infrastructure, the kind of resource people, and the kind of vision that is getting poured from all these three stakeholders is going to enable VLCI to make a huge impact on the future of this nation and perhaps globally across all segments of manufacturing. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share.